Hi everyone, my name is Vinisha and I am here to help you all the Sagittarians because I am going to give the monthly predictions for the month of August 2016. This is for Sagittarians, so without any further ado, let's start with the August reading and let's check what is the general flow of energy for you people, for the Sagittarians. So what I can see here is, okay, so the general flow of energy is that most of you would want to either relocate or locate somewhere else, and you are planning to shift a house. A lot of shift is there on your charts, and yes, you would need a lot of planning regarding this, you would need a lot of strength regarding this, but yes, definitely you're going to march ahead with every plus and minus, whatever positive negative you have in your mind, but you know that you're going to move forward to another place. General flow of energy also tells that yes, most of you were bound, as I'm telling you, most of you were bound with some kind of inhibition, some kind of preconceived notions, or maybe you were thinking that no, whatever is happening to you is the right thing. Most of you are going to change that, maybe because you will get to know that your life is not in control of was not in control of you yourself, but now you're going to pull that like a chariot. You're going to pull those right and left ends together and you're going to move in forward. So for Sagittarian, it could be male female energy. This is for both. Think about all the decisions you made in the recent past or maybe upcoming near future. Are you happy with them? Because I see that a lot of control issues are going on from a long time, as well as yes, you are dealing with people who are very powerful or maybe very inspiring in a negative way, but you are not aware of it. So I believe that you have a lot of surroundings and people and connections who are letting you do. You think this is happening just the way it should be, but then now you will get a clear picture regarding this, that this is what I want and this is what I don't want. So you will take steps regarding that. So let us know what is about the female energy, female Sagittarians. What is the energy flow for you, all the females? And okay, the cards wants to tell very fast. Alright, as I said that you are struggling with the hidden enemies, you're struggling with the hidden people, their hidden agendas for you. Maybe you are thinking that everything is you are choosing, you are doing, you are taking steps, but then there are constant you can say, a kind of hidden enemies thinking constantly. A conspiracy is going on with you people, as well as I feel that a lot of people are targeting you. Maybe because you are a little fiery in your speech, maybe because you have a very deadly way of taking decisions, or maybe you are in the world as a picture, you are a very strange and a very difficult person to understand. Maybe that is the reason people are not able to comprehend your lifestyle, your way of living, and they are jealous of you, or maybe they want more out of you for them, for their selfish motives, and that is the reason these people are for sure going to hit on you in a way that you give them whatever they want. So Sagittarians, please understand, if you are feeling like you are ruled by others, if you are feeling that different people have more say on your life, in your conditions of every condition of your life, you have to think about it, because this is the last time I believe these cards are coming for you, because now this is a decision making time. All those female Sagittarians are feeling a lot of in the ocean you get high tides and low tides. That is the way you people are feeling, that everything might look good, but at the end it's not the way you want it, and a lot of target issues are coming on to you people. So what you can do to get a little bit of relief and final answer, what is the destiny wanting you to do. So let's take out what is the help available for you people, all the females, so that you can do certain things which will help you eventually to come out of it. Okay, you're thinking a lot, Sagittarians. You're going through a mind churning session that you keep on thinking for something or the other. I believe that just the foundation is good. You have good foundation, you have good cards, but then yes, stop mourning, stop being sad for something which is not your fault. Maybe you have guilt issues, maybe you are feeling guilty of doing something wrong to some people, but then thinking will not let you move ahead. You have to take certain steps to move ahead. You have to feel that yes, I have to let go of certain things, or maybe apologize. A lot of apologies are also on the cards. If you want to apologize to people you were ever in love with, or maybe sometimes you are thinking that you have lost a very potential partner because of your own mistakes, or you just think about them in a way that it was your mistake and everything was dealt by them, or something like that. So you please go ahead and talk. What is going to stop you is your own ego, or maybe own fear of guilt, or maybe any kind of fear that you feel I'm not able to do that. But please go ahead and do that. Female, yes, I would say that your sign, Sagittarian sign, is of Jupiter. So yes, ego is inbuilt. But at the same time, you have a strong foundation of Jupiter in your charts now, because what I can see here is that the concerns are relating the people you love. It is regarding love matters. So please go ahead and console, go ahead and talk, go ahead and share your thoughts. Maybe you are thinking this way, other person might have just forgotten you or forgiven you. So you just come out of it after saying it, and you feel light, and you want to move forward. Now let's go on to check. Let's check what about the Sagittarius male. What is happening with them in August? This energy is quite different. Scorpions and Cancerians and Librans doesn't have this energy at all, Sagittarius. So for you people, you have to think out of the box to get in touch with those people and connect with them. For the male also, there are some heartbreaking issues which are coming, or maybe kind of a cheating thing is coming on to you people, because something you're waiting on, something maybe you waited a lot, or maybe you now start to wait for. You are aware of something which nobody else is. And yes, this is a card of Ace of Wands that says that you have to put a step forward to break this waiting zone. You have to make a effort to understand why this waiting zone is going on. You can keep on waiting, nothing will work out. But then to get your wish fulfilled, to get that kind of a blessing in your life, you have to speak out. So this is coming in both the energies, male and female, that either you're hiding something, or maybe you know something, you want to tell something to someone, to your nearest surrounding, to people who are in your family, or maybe outside, but you're not able to share it. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that regarding finances, if you're waiting for finances, yes, they are going to be sorted after the August, so don't worry about it. You will get opportunities to earn more. If your concern is regarding money, that is not going to be a long time concern. So let's check for the male energy, what universe wants to do for you, what is the help available for you people. Always concentrate on the help part, people, because once you understand that month or that surrounding can be that energy can be easy for you. Okay, so it is quite different from the female part. So all the male Sagittarians, I would say that yes, it is 80 to 90% regarding the love matters. Maybe you are now, what I can see, that not that interested in your partner, or maybe you're feeling blocked because of your partner, or you have intuition, because I've got a lot of intuition cards for you, that you have got intuition regarding your own relationship, that something is there in your relationship which you didn't know before, now you know that. Or else you're feeling to move away, from some of your feelings regarding love, regarding your daily time with your loved ones, or maybe a loved one, and you are feeling lot of stress because of that, but you're not sharing it. You will have to share it, Sagittarians, because this energy has already started to flow. And always remember, the energy once started will take a direction. If you don't do it, universe will force you to do that. So always remember that you have to share that. You have to do that what the energy is telling you, because otherwise it will be like low tide and high tide, which I shared with you. It is going to be a big toss on your health as well. So please don't do that. And people who are feeling that intuitively, or maybe who are feeling that something is wrong with them, or they are dealing with certain situations wherein they feel that these are little magical situations, or maybe I never deserved this but something has happened to me or something like that. Yes, you are right. You are absolutely right. The cosmic energies are playing big important role in your zodiac from a long time. It depends person to person. Somewhere it is in an official term, somewhere it is in a personal terms. But yes, it is happening. So for that, I would say that strengthen your planet Moon to get more intuitions and to understand more what is you, what do you want, why life is not in your control. Because I can completely see that universe is there to support you. The star card is with you, that you have got this planetary support. However, you have to think before taking any step, but yes, you have to take a step. That is most important. Think, plan your actions and take a step, because after taking the step, this worrying situation is going to last. Maybe you have got 10 worries in life. It is concerning money, it is concerning job, it is concerning health. But understand, Sagittarians, what I can see in your card, this is all in a circle, but what is the center of the circle is your one known fact, which you're not sharing it to the world. You don't want to yourself know that again and again. You don't want to speak it out to you yourself, because you feel that this cannot happen, or this is something which I can never achieve. This is something, a guilt you have in you, something. But then always remember, this has come to you to get it sorted. The energies, the universe wants to sort this out, and that is the reason you're feeling this way. Okay, so I would like to take out a few more cards for Sagittarians, because I feel they are feeling helpless. They need some guideline. So let's check this out. Why this is happening with them? What are the basics? Where did it start, and why they have landed in this situation? So let's start with what has happened because of this. They are feeling like this. Okay, let's check the situations. Why the situations were like this? Okay, so I see that most of you have past issues, past relationships, past friendships, past career, creative career especially. Something happened in the past which you're not aware of, and now it is coming to a light, or maybe a lot of fight is going on in your heart, in your mind, in your inner soul, in your inner world. And something, you want to burst out with something, but you are stopping yourself because you don't know, is it a right time, right way, or right thing I'm doing, but then go ahead and do it. Because then only you have a victory. You have a victory for everything you want. And see this card, you have people support as well. So once you will tell it to the world will support you. Don't worry about it. Every support which you require is going to be with you. Okay, so this is the reason why it started. It is from the past issue. It is something which is being prolonged, and now the energies are here to tell you that please dear, take care of it and just get it sorted and move on in life. Okay, just for all my Sagis, I would like to take out 3 more cards, that if you go ahead and say things, or maybe if you just deal with the obstacle and get it sorted, what is the near future? What is the thing I think most of you would want to know, that once if I say that to this person, or say that to my family, or just confront it, what is going to happen? So let me take out what is going to happen, so that most of you can go ahead and do that. Amazing. I can just show you these cards because I knew that once you will say this is going to happen, so you have to read it like this. Once you will just go, because this card itself says that kind of you have that kind of a feeling to just go ahead and do it. Once you feel this, you run for it. You say it like a confident note in your head, that this is my confidence, I'm just running for this. And once you say this, everything is going to be in your hand. You will become the emperor of your own life. That means most of you are not having your own life in your hands. You feel that it's running, just maybe it's just running, maybe it's just going, or maybe somebody else is running it. It's not up to your wish. And you Sagittarians always wants to be emperor and empress, because you love to create your own world, take risk and just move forward with it. So I would again suggest you, nothing is going to go wrong. Maybe things are going to go right. And if you go ahead and confront to people, maybe they also feel the same way, and you get to know certain things which you're still not aware of, but you want that. Okay, so all the Sagittarians, please take care this month. Go ahead, have some strength in you, and believe in karma and universe. Whatever is in your heart is going to happen. So don't be afraid, don't be fearful. And if you want a personal consultation with me, please message me on my Facebook page, or else leave message on this video for the YouTube, and I will just get back to you. Okay, now I will see you in the September 2016 video. Till then, be brave. Bye bye.